This is the part second continue, body wall and skeleton of sponges. As you know, the outer body wall is made of pinacocytes and inner layer of their body wall is made of chanocytes. In between the two layers is a non-cellular layer that is called mesenchyme. Mesenchyme. What is mesenchyme? Mesenchyme is a non-cellular gel-like layer that is present between the pinacoderm and the chanoderm. This mesenchyme contains different types of amoebocytes which are also called archaeocytes. This mesenchyme contains collagen fibers that maintains the shape of the body. These collagen fibers provide stability to the body, and also this mesenchyme contains different types of mineralized structures, mineralized skeleton which acts as an endoskeleton of sponges. These spicules are of different types. It depends upon the type of species. On the presence of spicules present in the mesenchyme, they are classified in three different classes because of the presence of the spicules within the mesenchyme. जो क्लासिफिकेशन है स्पॉन्जेस की वो इसी पे डिपेंड करता है कि कौन सा स्पिक्यूल इनके मेसेनकाइम में पाया जाता है, और इसी की बदौलत इन्हीं स्पिक्यूल्स की मदद से, कोलेजन्स की मदद से इनकी स्टेबिलिटी, जो बॉडी की स्टेबिलिटी है, मेंटेन जो इनकी शेप रहती है, दिस इज बिकॉज ऑफ दीज कोलेजन फाइबर्स एंड स्पिक्यूल्स. दीज स्पिक्यूल्स जो क्लासिफिकेशन है, फॉर एग्जांपल कैलकेरिया, Hexactinella and Demospongy, it depends upon the type of spicule present in the mesenchyme. चाहे spicules की बात करेंगे हम, collagen fibers, amoebocytes, these are all present in the mesenchyme. But these amoebocytes are also called archaeocytes. These are stem cells. They can give rise to any type of cell as per the need of the organism. इन्हीं एमीबियोसाइट से कोई भी सेल इनकी बॉडी में बनती है, जो बाकी सेल्स आती हैं बॉडी में, जो जितनी भी सेल्स है एक्सेप्ट चैनोसाइट्स एंड पिनेकोसाइट्स, ऑल अदर सेल्स प्रेजेंट इन द बॉडी आर डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम these archaeocytes, as these cells are totipotent, and this totipotency is bidirectional. They can give rise to any type of cell, and the cells reverts back into archaeocyte when the need arises. Why they are called amoebocytes? They behave like an amoeba and move within the mesenchyme with pseudopodial movement. For example, one type of amoebocyte is called colonocyte. These colonocytes secrete collagen protein that maintains the or gives the stability of the mesenchyme as well as the body of the sponge. Lopocytes can also give rise collagen fibers. These archaeocytes can give rise to chromocytes. Chromocytes की बदौलत जो कलर्स पाए जाते हैं स्पॉन्जेस में, दिस इज बिकॉज ऑफ क्रोमोसाइट्स. फॉर एग्जांपल इनके कलर्स बहुत सारे हैं. ऑरेंज कलर स्पॉन्जेस है, ऑरेंज, ब्लू कलर स्पॉन्जेस, येलो, और इसी कलर की वजह से They protect themselves from harmful ultraviolet radiations. और इन कलर की वजह से हम इनको एक्सट्रैक्ट करके पेंट्स बनाते हैं, क्रैफ्ट्स, वाटर कलर्स इनसे बनाया जाता है। बिकॉज ऑफ द प्रेजेंस ऑफ डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ क्रोमोसाइट्स, कुछ फॉरिफर्स उनका कलर ऑरेंज है, ब्लू कलर sponges are present, yellow color sponges are present. इसके अलावा these chromocytes protects the sponges from harmful ultraviolet radiations. और इसके अलावा इनमें पाया जाता है, इनके स्केलेटन में पाया जाता है एक सल्फर और आयोडीन। अगर हम बाथ स्पॉन्ज की बात करेंगे, यू स्पॉन्जिया जो डीमोस्पॉन्जी क्लास में आता है, अगर हम उसको एक्सट्रैक्ट करेंगे, फिर उनकी बॉडी से ये आयोडीन निकलकर बाहर आता है, इसको हम इस्तेमाल में लाते हैं। उन्हीं स्पॉन्जेस को एक्ट एज एंटीसेप्टिक एंड एंटीबैक्टीरियल। दे आर बैक्टीरियोसाइडिक एंड बैक्टीरियोस्टैटिक। बैक्टीरियोस्टैटिक and bacteriocydic. यूस्पॉन्जिया एक ऐसा फ्रेश वाटर स्पॉन्ज है जिसको हम कहते हैं कि बाथ स्पॉन्ज, दिस इज आल्सो कॉल्ड बाथ स्पॉन्ज. इट एक्ट्स एज एन एंटीसेप्टिक and it has antiseptic and antibacterial properties because of the presence of iodine. इसीलिए हम इनको इस्तेमाल करते हैं, मतलब अगर कई जगह पे स्कार्स होंगे, वोंड होगा, तो हम इन्हीं बाथ स्पॉन्जेस को ओल्डन डेज में इन्हीं को इस्तेमाल करते थे. बिसाइड्स दे आल्सो क्लीन द विंडो पेन्स, घर में इस्तेमाल होते हैं, सिनेमा हॉल्स में इस्तेमाल होते हैं, बिकॉज दे आर साउंड एब्सॉर्बिंग एजेंट्स, ऑल्सो एक्ट्स एज साउंड एब्सॉर्बिंग एजेंट. इसके अलावा इनमें है सेक्लोरोब्लास्ट्स. These cells are also derived from archaeocytes. These secularoblasts secrete their skeleton. For example, calcareous and siliceous. Secularoblasts secrete calcareous skeleton and siliceous skeleton. This calcareous skeleton is made of calcium carbonate CaCO3 and siliceous skeleton or siliceous spicules is made of silicon dioxide. These secularoblasts extract the calcium carbonate and silicon dioxide from the seawater and deposits these two minerals into the mesenchyme, where they are joined with the collagen fibers and make either calcareous or siliceous spicules. This is an endoskeleton of sponge. This calcium carbonate is extracted from the seawater by a type of seculoblast called chalcocytes. Is a type of seculoblast, and silicon dioxide by silicocytes. Both these cells are derived from seculoblast. This seculoblast is derived from archaeocyte. These chalcocytes extract calcium carbonate from the seawater and deposits the calcium carbonate into the mesenchyme and make calcareous skeleton, while the silicocytes extract silicon dioxide from the seawater and deposits the silicon dioxide into the mesenchyme and make siliceous skeleton. इन्हीं की बदौलत, calcareous skeleton की बदौलत और siliceous skeleton की वजह से इनमें दो क्लासेस पाए जाते हैं. One is called calcarea because of the presence of calcareous skeleton, and siliceous spicules because of the presence of siliceous skeleton, or also called calcareous skeleton or siliceous skeleton. Siliceous skeleton. जो calcareous skeleton इनमें है वो किन में है? That is called a calcarea. And another that is siliceous skeleton, ये किन में पाया जाता है? That is called a hexactinella and hexactinella. And may or may not present in the demospongy. जो कैलकेरिया का स्केलेटन है that is made of calcareous calcium carbonate and siliceous skeleton is made from silicon dioxide secreted by the siliciosites. इन दो स्केलेटन की, इन दो मिनरल्स की वजह से इनकी क्लासिफिकेशन आ गई. जो इनका पहला क्लास है दैट इज कॉल्ड कैलकेरिया विच इंक्लूड्स स्काइफा, और सिलिशियस में हेक्सैक्टिनिडा दैट इज एग्जांपल इज यूप्लेक्टिला. I will discuss it later on. Now the trophoarchaeocytes can give rise to colonocytes that secrete collagen fibers that maintains the stability in the mesenchyme. Lopocytes also secrete collagen fibers present in the mesenchyme. Chromocytes provides the color to the sponge, and also scleroblasts, they can give rise either to chalcocytes and siliciosites. Chalcocytes extract calcium carbonate from the seawater and siliciosites extract silicon dioxide from the seawater and make two types of skeletons, calcareous and siliceous. In addition to these cells, another type of cell that is called spongiocytes. These spongiocytes secrete spongin fibers. These spongin fibers are modified collagen fibers. They resemble its chemical composition as that of silic. These spongin fibers are secreted by the spongiocytes. These spongin fibers are also present in the mesenchyme of such species whose skeleton is spongin. For example, demospongy. Demospongy जिसमें क्या आता है? Spongilla and radiospongilla. These are the different types of amebiocytes present in the mesenchyme of sponges. And number second is spicule. As I have already told you, there are two types of spicules, calcareous spicules and siliceous spicules, that make the endoskeleton of the sponge. These spicules are formed in the mesenchyme when the siliciosites and colonocytes extract the calcium carbonate and silicon dioxide from the seawater. The whole process, the process of making the mineralized skeleton by the sponges is called biomineralization. This is also a characteristic feature in sponges, that means that they can make their skeleton from the minerals. One is siliceous skeleton and another is calcareous skeleton. Thank you.